Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Why?
Didn't you see what you did back there?
What? What'd I do?
Just how you passed 2 trucks when you weren't supposed to?
Why? Why does that matter? Why does it matter?
Here, I'll send you into the police too.
You're a dumb so you think that what you think matters because you're stupid. So
How am I stupid if I'm driving legally?
you're driving legally.
Right.
Oh, okay, yeah, legally. Everything has to be legal for all you legal fucking stupid facts. Go die, fat. Get the out of my business. You want something? Come and get it, buddy.
No, I'll let the police handle it.
The police? What is the police gonna do, you dumbass?
Oh, watch and see.
They're gonna, yeah.
Yeah, they will come find whoever owns that license.
3 years, you fucking dumbass.
Whoever owns that license plate.
Wow, good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job. You're so cool. You're so awesome. You're all dead, too.
Like turning from like the center of the why you had a stop sign there, bud. You're hauling it. Good fucking job avoiding me.
To bed until that night. Now, Anne said that night she was in and out of sleep when all of a sudden she woke up and saw John laying next to her in the bed.
We're just shopping at Ross here in California in Citrus Heights, and we had a hit and run happen to us. You can see this woman here. She is doing whatever she's doing in the back seat. I guess she's buckling up her child who walked with her from the Ross store. And I'm just a little frustrated because look at what happens next, because the car just moves and boom, it hits my car. It did hit my car, but look what happened next. She hits the other car right over there. And like, what's going on with you, woman, right there? Like, nothing happened. She just continues to walk around. She buckles up her child over there in the back seat, which is, you know, the proper way to do it. And then, of course, the little doggy has no idea about what's going on, and she slams the door because she's mad and probably frustrated. Again, this is March 8th, 2025. And then this woman in California on a Women's Day takes off like nothing happens. If you see her, say hi. We forgive her. God bless. And stay away from people like her because she ran and never left a note, never did anything.
Jy is al gedreineerd word dit. Al jou reserves gebruik.
Hoe dit ook al sê,
Oh my god, it's for the idiots.